If you want to set up Google Drive as local drive in your computer, please follow my instruction. First, go to browser and type Google Drive Sync. Click first link for download. Now run this software as administrator. Click on Install. Now click on Launch. Click on Get Started. Now sign in your Gmail account with password. I have already signed in my Gmail account before. Here you can select specific folder for sync into Google Drive. If no need, you can skip now. You can also add additionally folder for backup, photos or videos. Now click on Open Drive. Here we see that my Google Drive add as a local drive. Now I can upload or download file here. If my video is useful, you can share, comment and like.